Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming account details and parental access permissions. This avoids delays. First, sign into the Roblox account and verify the email and birth date so voice chat eligibility can be checked. Once done, have the parent or guardian log into their device and open the parent's Roblox account to manage settings. Make sure both devices are nearby for verification codes and toggles. This streamlines the process and prevents repeated logins mid-setup. You now enable the necessary switches and confirm identity. Go to Settings Privacy on the child's account, toggle voice chat if visible, and then switch to the parent account to approve communications. Next, follow Roblox's age and identity verification steps. This often requires a photo ID or selfie check. It's mandatory to unlock voice features. While waiting, make sure microphone permissions are granted in device system settings so Roblox can access audio once approval completes. You finish by verifying functionality and addressing hiccups. Join a private server or party and test the microphone, watch for the voice indicator to confirm transmission, and adjust in-game audio settings as needed. If you don't see the voice option, double-check device microphone permissions and rerun the age/identity verification. Sometimes a cleared cache or app reinstall helps. If things still fail, contact Roblox support with account and verification details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.